The Board of Secondary Education Odisha announced Class 10 results with a 95.33% pass rate. Of 5,36,000 students, 5,15,251 cleared the exams, while 17,055 failed. Girls outperformed boys. 2,456 secured A1 grades and 3,310 schools achieved 100% results, officials said. Girls outshone boys in Odisha's Class 10 exams, with Gajapati district recording the highest pass percentage at 99.31%. A total of 8,364 students were absent, while thousands secured top grades. The results highlight strong overall performance across districts, with several schools achieving 100% success. Union Minister Dharmendra Pradhan urged Odisha's institutions to move beyond conventional teaching and embrace innovation and research aligned with National Education Policy 2020. Speaking at the Pragya Prerna workshop in Bhubaneswar, he called for solutions to local challenges to build a Vikasit Odisha. A mild earthquake struck Odisha's Balangir district early Saturday around 4:40 am, triggering brief tremors that startled residents. Household items and glass doors were seen rattling in several areas. Preliminary reports from the Odisha State Disaster Management Authority confirmed no casualties or significant property damage. Chief Minister Mohan Charan Majhi announced a ₹10 hike in variable dearness allowance. Revised daily wages now stand at ₹472 for unskilled, ₹522 for semi-skilled, ₹572 for skilled and ₹622 for highly skilled workers, effective from April 1. The long-pending Mahanadi water dispute saw a key breakthrough as Odisha and Chhattisgarh submitted a jointly signed technical report on basin water yield. The tribunal termed the development historic, with officials noting it marks the first consensus since 1983 on water sharing data between the two states. India launched its indigenous cell broadcast alert system, sending a nationwide test message marked Extremely Severe Alert, developed by Center for Development of Telematics under the Sachet platform. The system was inaugurated by Home Minister Amit Shah to strengthen disaster preparedness across all states and union territories. 4 DRG personnel were killed and 1 injured in an IED blast during anti-Maoist operations in Chhattisgarh's Kanker-Narayanpur border. The team was conducting demining and search operations when the explosion occurred. Officials said the area had suspected IEDs planted earlier by Maoists. The Supreme Court of India declined to interfere with the Election Commissioner's decision on appointing counting staff for West Bengal polls. Hearing a plea by the Trinamool Congress, the court directed that existing guidelines involving state nominees be followed strictly. The Election Commission of India conducted repolling in 15 booths across Magrahat Paschim and Diamond Harbour constituencies in West Bengal's South 24 Parganas district. The move followed complaints of large-scale electoral malpractices during Phase 2 polling held on April 29, officials said.